Stahls CAD-CUT Reflective 2 gives you a high visibility finish that you can utilize across multiple markets. From sports and corporate apparel to local business or retail stores, using CAD-CUT Reflective 2 can expand your reach and increase your bottom line. CAD-CUT Reflective 2 is a versatile heat transfer vinyl that can be applied to cotton poly blends, 100% polyester, and even uncoated nylon. With this reflective HTV, the sky is the limit when it comes to custom printing, unique garments, and accessories. Take this Ogio bag for example. This textured polyester fabric has potential to scorch under high heat. With CAD-CUT Reflective 2's low temp application, I'm able to custom print a corporate logo onto the bag for a high-end finish without ruining the fabric. By just loading the area of the bag that I want to print on a 6x10 platen and getting a nice flat surface for even pressure, I can apply the Reflective 2 transfer at 290 degrees for just 10 seconds, peel hot, and the job is complete. CAD-CUT Reflective 2 is great for performance wear or any apparel requiring added visibility. For our next application, we're going to print a performance wear garment from Augusta Sportswear and create a mixed media effect by pairing Reflective 2 with CAD-CUT Premium Plus. Loading on this 100% polyester t-shirt, I'm going to preheat to release any moisture or wrinkles in the fabric. First, I'll apply the Reflective 2 transfer for just 3 to 5 seconds so it doesn't shrink before I lay on my next transfer. Once I've peeled the carrier hot, I can apply my Premium Plus transfer for its full application. When my heat press beeps to let me know my transfer is done applying, I can peel the carrier warm and my design is complete. As you can see, pairing CAD-CUT Reflective 2 with other medias is a simple application and brings your designs to life. With the Reflective 2's affordable price point, you can offer this special effect finish to any customer. Reflective is a popular heat transfer finish in custom apparel and can be incorporated in any design to achieve high visibility and value. For more information on CAD-CUT Reflective 2, visit Stahls.com.